Hi everyone, welcome back. I know I said I wasn't going to do any more Christmas and winter videos, but here I am with another winter DIY video. I have a candle holder from Dollar Tree and the wee snowflakes that I got on Amazon. I'll link them down below. And a piece of string that came from some beads at Dollar Tree. And what I'm doing is hot gluing the string to one of the snowflakes, and then I'm putting some beads on the string, and then I'm going to hot glue it and hang it from the candle holder. And I'm just going to show you me doing one of them, and then I will do the rest off camera. So just put a wee bit of hot glue, and then this is what it looks like. So I did 4 this length and then 4 shorter ones. And can't really see because they're going all over the place, but that's what it looks like. And then I'm just using some of the burlap ribbon from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to glue that all around the edge and over where I glued the string parts. So just doing that all the way around, and that will help hold it in place. And then when I get to the end, I just trimmed it off, and that was it. Oh yeah, burnt hairs. That's the last step. And then that was it. You can of course change up the colours, and you could use a different ribbon, paint snowflakes, whatever you would like. And this is how it turned out. This wee triangle was from Dollar Tree, and it used to have a succulent stuck inside it. So I just painted it with some black acrylic paint. And then I'm going to use some Dollar Tree super glue wood glue. And I'm just going to glue this snowflake onto the front. You can paint the snowflake if you want to, but I like the wood colour. Also, you don't have to do black. You could make it white, you could have left it brown. It's up to you, just choose whichever your favourite colours are and what will go with your home decor. And then I decided that I needed something else, so I'm just gluing one of the wee snowflakes on, and I'll link all these things down below. And this is how it turned out. It's just a wee cute simple snowflake DIY. This is an 8x8 wood canvas from Amazon. I will link it down below. And I painted the inside of it with some black acrylic paint. And I'm going to use some Dollar Tree super glue wood glue. And I'm trying to use up all these snowflakes that I bought. So I'm going to use some more for this picture. And I also have the Scrabble letters, and I spelled out "Let It Snow." So I am just sticking them to the bottom, and I'll link them down below as well. And then I'm just going to arrange the snowflakes and then put some of the wee ones in between. And also I got some black paint on the inside of the frame, so I just painted that as well. So once I decided how I was going to have them, I just glued them down with the wood glue. Again, you don't have to do these colours, you can paint them whatever, but I just wanted to keep it nice and simple. So I know I said I wasn't going to do any more Christmas and winter DIYs, but I did a normal DIY video for my last video and hardly anybody watched it. So here I am doing another winter one. And this is how it turned out. I didn't put a hanger on it because I don't plan on hanging it up. But you can put a hanger on the back if you want to. These 3 wee Christmas trees are from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint them with some black acrylic paint. And I'm going to use some Dollar Tree Super Glue wood glue. And then I bought these wee stars from Amazon, and I'll link them down below. I'm just going to put one on the top of this big Christmas tree, just to cover up the hole. And then I have, this is a golf game from Dollar Tree. It had like little pegs and stuff in it. And I'm just going to sand off the little, I think it said Greenbrier on the back. And then I sanded off the edges a wee bit. And then I'm just going to glue these trees to the front of this. You could put some feet on it if you want to, but I didn't bother. So yeah, I'm just gluing them to the front. You can stain the wood if you want to. So I'm just doing the smaller ones, one either side. And then I'm going to glue the big one in the middle. I could have used hot glue for this actually. But I'm using wood glue. You can use hot glue if you want to. At least you won't have to wait for it to dry. And I just put a few tea light battery operated tea light candles in the back. And this is it, another nice simple DIY. This is one of the mini palettes from Dollar Tree. And I just painted it with some black acrylic paint. And then I have these two wood pieces from Amazon. I'll link them down below. I'm just hot gluing a popsicle stick to the back to hold them together. And then I painted some half beads and some of the adhesive pearls that you get from Dollar Tree black to make some buttons, a nose, eyes, and the mouth for the snowman. I didn't have anything to make a carrot. Or maybe I could have just cut a bit of popsicle stick. Anyway, when I was young we didn't put carrots in our snowmen. We just used stones. And then I took some of the burlap ribbon to make a scarf. And then I tied it. Didn't like how I tied it the first time. So I tied it again. And then I didn't like that way, so I tied it again, and I just made sure I didn't tie it too tight. And then I hot glued it in place. And you can make your snowman have like the 3 parts, the head and the 2 body parts, but I like the little short fat ones. And this is just a wood block from Dollar Tree. I just stuck it down and then stuck the snowman to it. And then reinforced it with some extra hot glue. And I spelled out the word snowman with the Scrabble letters. And then I put them the opposite way around. And then I turned them over. And then glued a popsicle stick to the back so that the letters would be the right way around. And then I just hot glued that to the front. And then I decided, oh actually I forgot about the hat. So I'm just going to make a wee hat out of a craft stick and a popsicle stick, and just trimmed it down with some scissors. And then I just hot glued the 2 pieces together, and then I painted them with the black acrylic paint. And I'm just going to hot glue that to the top of the snowman's head. And be careful, I burnt my fingers because it splodged out the back. And that's it. And this is how it turned out. So let me know which one of these is your favourite. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.